everybody, Alicia here with AJ Farms. I was just going to show you how to make a quick toy for your chickens. It doesn't take a lot of time, it doesn't cost a lot of money, and it keeps them busy, and they get a nutritious snack out of it as well. We have cabbage here. We just picked these up from a grocery store. I think in Spearfish it was 59 cents a pound. So we got 4 heads. We're also growing them in the garden, so that'll help on with money as well, to keep it a little bit cheaper. So anyway, all that you need is cabbages, a drill with a, this is the biggest bit that we have, so I just grabbed that. And then where we're putting it is going to be down here on one of our roofs, and I have one already set up a little bit, but so what I did, down here, there's a knot. You can see where I drilled it right through the wood. So I just drilled it with a big drill bit like I have on now. I put the rope through and tied a knot, so that holds that end. Then over here on this end, we just tied it up so that we can untie it and put new foods on it. So all that we do to get it ready is right in this knot of the cabbage, we just drill a hole. And my bit doesn't go all the way through, so I kind of pull it in and out to clean out the hole. And then, since my bit doesn't go all the way through, I just grabbed a stick, just a leftover scrap from some wood stuff that we did, and I just poke it through to have it come out the end to show me where I need to put that drill bit for the next side. Then I drill through to connect the holes. Alright, so that's one, it's done. Another one here to show you. So right here in this knot, just drill a hole. It's a lot easier than drilling this size of a hole in wood, that's for sure. Then I just take my stick and poke it through that end. Then just drill right where the stick poked through to connect your hole. Okay. Alright, so to put this together, we're just gonna untie the rope on this end, pull it out. I drilled the hole here, so I just pull it out of there. And all my cabbages are pre-drilled here. And we're just running the rope right through the cabbage. Spread them out a little bit so everybody can have their space. There you go, you got a nice chicken treat, and it'll keep them busy for a little while. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel, comment below, like us on Facebook, and let us know if there's anything specific that you guys want to see. We'll see if we can make a video of it or something. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.